What's going on, people? Today here on Fix It Rick, we are going to be replacing the RV plumbing vent. So let's fix it! So we have a few tools here that we're going to be using for this project. We have a Milwaukee drill, a basic paint scraper, Jasco premium paint and epoxy remover. It says it's good for both, so we're going to try this on the RV. Paper towel, and Viollo Lap Sealant self-leveling specifically for your RV. And we got our thermocell just in case a few mosquitoes decide to show up. I'm going to leave a link in the description below so that you can get these products. And because we're changing out a plumbing vent, we're going to be using some latex gloves. You want to use the scraper and start going into the caulking, but be careful of the surface area of your plumbing vent. You want to scrape the caulking till we get to the base. This thing is so brittle. I just realized that's incredibly brittle. Now that we've got most of the caulking taken out, you want to find the head of the screw and dig out all the caulking so you can put your screwdriver or a drill in there to remove it. Okay, it looks like we got all our screws out. Let's go ahead and take our scraper and remove it. And you want to carefully wedge the vent cap all the way around it. And then, there you go. Let's go ahead and remove all the excess caulking. Now we're going to take our paint remover and put some of that on there. Clean this off. It doesn't have to be perfect, just do the best you can. Now that we've got this area cleaned off, let's go ahead and use our Viollo self-leveling caulking. What you want to do is you want to fill in the holes that all the screw holes were in. And it's okay to be generous in this because you do not want to have any kind of leaks. Now that we've covered up those holes, let's go ahead and fill the rest of the area. Let's go ahead and take our cap and put it right on top of it. I'll tell you what, that looks good to me. Now what you want to do is go ahead and put the screws back in. You can put new ones in, you can put the old ones, it's up to you. We're going to put it right back into the hole. Go ahead and take your lap sealant, cover up each of the screws. And now let's go ahead and fill in all the little gaps. Again, it is okay to be generous when it comes to applying watertight sealant. Okay, and there you have it. You have successfully installed a plumbing vent for your RV using the Viollo self-leveling sealant. You can apply the Viollo in wet or dry applications. I guess if it was like an emergency situation where something punctured a hole like a tree branch and you had to patch it up quickly, then yeah, you could apply this in a wet location. So thank you for tuning in to Fix It Rick. If this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below. And always remember that Jesus loves you and only He can fix your biggest problem.